Welcome back to Zesty Eats. Today we're gonna make potato egg kababs. It is a famous dish in Southeast Asia and also known as aloo chop or aloo tikki. It's simply delish. Let's begin. Step 1. We will season our potato mix. For this, you will need cumin powder 1 teaspoon, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, green chilies as per your taste, salt 1 teaspoon, ghee 2 teaspoon, boiled potatoes. I took about 4 large potatoes, sliced onion 1 cup, and oil about 1.5 tablespoons. At first, I'm gonna saute the onion. Heat up the pan and add the oil. Once the oil heats up, add the sliced onions. Saute it until the onion turns translucent. I like to saute the onion because it gives you beautiful aroma to your kebab. Also, when you fry the kebab, it won't fall apart. Now set it aside and let it cool. Now we will make the potato mix. At first, mash the potato properly. Once it's perfectly mashed, we will add our seasoning. Add salt, cumin powder, saute onion, red chili flakes, chopped green chilies. If you don't like spicy, you can skip the green chilies. And finally, add the ghee. The ghee will give you a beautiful aroma to your kebab. And trust me, the small amount of ghee takes it to the next level. Now mix everything together. Step 2. We're gonna make the potato kebabs and stuff egg inside it. For this, we will need our perfectly seasoned potato mix and about 5 eggs. I cut them in halves. Now, to make our kebabs, we'll place small amount of seasoned potato mix on our palms, flatten it, put the egg on top of it, make sure the egg yolk's facing down, and cover the whole thing with the seasoned potato mix. Using these steps, make rest of the kebabs. Step 3. We will coat our kebabs with eggs and breadcrumbs. For this, we will need 2 eggs and 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Whisk the eggs with a beater or a fork. Now, using your one hand, dip the kebabs in the egg mixture first. Now, use the other hand to coat it with the breadcrumbs. Make sure the kebabs are fully coated with the breadcrumbs. Now, lay it in the platters. Using this method, coat all your kebabs. Step 4. Let's fry our potato egg kababs. To fry, we will heat up the pan and add about 1 cup of oil. Now, one by one, add the potato egg kababs. It doesn't take too long to fry it. About 1 to 2 minutes on each side. You want the beautiful golden color. Now, once you're done frying, place them in a plate. On the plate, make sure you place paper towels. It will absorb the excess oil. Once it cools down, cut it in halves with a knife. I like to serve it halves, this way you can see the egg inside. You can serve this dish as an appetizer or as a side dish with your main course meal. See how beautiful it looks. It's crunchy on the outside and packed with flavor inside. Please leave your comments below. I would love to hear your feedbacks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.